Hey everybody, welcome back to Chamberlain Family Farms, and welcome if you're joining us for the first time. So this is Phil's new garage, and as you can see there are no windows in it. So today we're going to show you how to add some windows to a building that doesn't have windows. Stay tuned.
This is what me and Dad did yesterday. We're out here in this garage. Got his truck in here, started getting some stuff from outside. But we built this bench yesterday, workbench. Had a bunch of these in another building. I think this was used for like at a local swimming pool or something. They got rid of them. But I just got a board and put a couple bolts on there to kind of keep somebody from breaking their toes. So, comes out. He had some old cabinets. We stuck him up there, got them screwed on. They still need cleaning some work. But, and then he went out yesterday and he got some more 2x4s. Gonna put a window there, put a window over there. And he's wanting to put a wall here. He's gonna make this his wood shop room. He's got a couple old French doors gonna put in here too. So I guess that's what we're doing today. You can see he's already got the lines marked out. We'll be cutting these boards off, and we'll have to cut the metal on the outside. Should just snap right in there. Get this framed up with these boards we're cutting. Be ready to go to the next. All we're doing is we're making a box. Like I said, we'll cut out this, cut out the metal, get this nailed to where we cut them off, slap in the window, screw it in, done. At least that's the idea anyway.
Voila.
Wally.
Wally?
Gonna fit?
It's snug. I didn't know it was snug, but I didn't have that extra half inch. Looks dead level. I got it. Window's right about level. You lay down. Rubber baby buggy bumpers.
All right, so we got a mark now. We know exactly where to cut. Now, whenever you do this, because there is metal on the outside, you need to make sure you measure out 1.5 inches, because otherwise you're going to go through the metal and it ain't going to cut very good. You're going to tear stuff up. So. Yep. Now we got screws on the other side. Drill 4 holes and then we know where it is out there.
So Phil has to take out the screws on the outside of the metal because they're going through the boards on the inside where Philip just cut.
I know it's hard to see, but I measured that 1.5 inches. That's about how the thickness of a 2x4 is. It's really not 2 inches. So, I mean, you can see it like it had a little scratch there on it, but that's all it did. So make sure you adjust your saw whenever you do that.
Look at that. Perfect. More perfect. More perfect. Well, hold on there, Frederick. Up on my bed. It's somewhere.
Well, while we're waiting on Dad to get the drill bit, I don't know if you guys are having extreme temperatures or not, but it's been getting up in the 90s here. And we haven't had really a good rain for dang near 3 weeks. We've had like a little sprinkle here and there, but as soon as it hits, the ground's done got saturated. It's gonna drill your hole so we can cut it. Still level?
No. Yeah.
Sure what?
Oh, you did cut in an ankle. Sawzall.
Okay. I'll really get sawzall.
I guess not.
You can leave it out there to mark it or drill it.
Can't if you don't hold it.
This is what I always say, if it works, there is no wrong way. So Dad was gonna do it a different way than what I was gonna do it. All right, so we drilled holes, or Dad drilled holes. You can see up here on all 4 corners. This way it don't matter whether we're inside or outside, we will know where the square is. So what we gotta do now is draw a line, so to speak. But I don't know, it may be better to take this plastic crap off first, but. And then we'll know where we need to cut. And there's so many different tools you guys can use to get this accomplished, so about any kind of saw. Just wanna make sure you have the right blade on it.
What kind of blade is that?
You want a metal blade. Which they make them for about every kind of saw. And I mean, you could even use a grinder if you absolutely needed to. I mean, it will cut.
And we're using some windows that we already had, which is another good way to save some money. It was cheaper building this garage without the windows and just doing it ourselves.
Yeah. And there's so many different places you can get used windows and cabinets and stuff. Facebook's got a little market thing you can get on there. You got local auctions. You got local ads. I mean, you just gotta keep looking. And don't wait till the last minute to look. If you know ahead of time you're gonna be needing this in the future, go ahead and start looking as soon as possible to try to find the best deal. Maybe even better quality even. All right, so we are using a grinder wheel for this.
See, my idea was pretty good after all, wasn't it, son?
I don't know why we don't use a sawzall.
Where my bed goes was in there.
I don't know.
Somebody took it out.
You're somebody.
They haven't been proven yet. Where is it?
I don't know.
How about right there?
I don't know. I'm at the level.
I got it all.
Yeah.
Here, it's way over here by your side.
I only got 2 hands, Dad.
You got 2 feet too. Hello. Look at that. Almost perfect. Now it is. Don't move it. Ow! I'm trying to hit it for myself.
That ain't good. All right, so I'm thinking we ought to just leave it like this. We can have some shutters. What do you think?
Daddy,
We are gonna have to get some snips, cut out the corner.
Daddy, let me
Then we should be ready to go. Huh? You wanna see?
Look.
Arrgh. See?
Yeah. I want to see
Down there.
too. Dad, I want to see.
Yeah.
Wow. wobbly. Look. That is wobbly. Wobbly. Oh, wait, Daddy, it's wobbly.
Just beat it. Beat it. So we got to take part of this metal off because this needs to be under the metal, this here. Otherwise, we're not going to get good seal and cause a lot of issues. And there are different windows you can get. This is the type of window that just pops in from the outside, so you can get them to where you don't have that lip, or we could cut that lip off, I guess, but all right, so we're having a heck of a time trying to fight with that metal, and I really don't want to take all the metal off. What we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and take this off, this lip, so it just pops in there and we ain't got to fight it no more. We'll just caulk the heck out of it after we're done. It's in now. I think so. All right, you guys see that? You know what that is? Them are spider egg sacs.
As long as I can open and close the window, that's all I care about.
Well, he's got the inside caulk now. Now he's just going through there kind of smoothing it. And we still got to go on the outside because we don't want the water going behind the metal. I mean, you get water back there behind the metal, it can start rusting from the inside, so we don't want that.
I said it would have went right in if we didn't have all that trouble. Redneck ingenuity works every time.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.